Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well today. We're doing just fine over here. So today I thought I would hop on here and give you a little sneak peek of how we do some chores here in the Democratic Republic of Congo. So we live in a very rural area and big washing machines and dryers are not that common. So most people in our neighborhood, they wash their clothes by hand. Using a bucket like the one you see me using here to kind of put water into our washing machine. We're very fortunate to have been able to buy this to help make this a little easier. So what I like to do is just put the bucket right into our shower and then just use the shower tap to fill it up. And then I'll just start scooping the water into the washing machine where I have the clothes and the soap already inside. It is a lot more work than what we're used to back home in Canada, but honestly, I don't mind it. It could be a lot worse. Once I'm done filling it up, I'll just move it over to where I can plug the machine into the wall, set the cycle and the time, and then we wait for everything to wash. One thing that I can say I was not prepared for is the sand that gets in your clothes. What you see here is after washing only one pair of pants, guys. One pair! And I promise we weren't rolling around in the sand making sand angels. So once I'm done washing, then I head out onto our balcony and hang our clothes to dry. Try to do it as early as possible so that we get the most sunlight to dry the clothes so that they're nice and hot when it's time to bring them inside. So there you have it, guys. This is how I do our laundry in the Democratic Republic of Congo. I also want to mention that this is not the way everyone does it. There are plenty of people here that have a big washing machine and dryer just like we do back home in Canada. When we started making plans to come to the Democratic Republic of Congo, we decided that we wanted our family to have a more authentic experience so that our children could connect to their roots and so that they could experience life as their father did when he was a child. So there you have it, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.